Hello, dear students. I welcome all the 7th standard students of St. Vincent Pallotti School, Kamti, in the world of computer subject. Today, we are going to learn our chapter number first, which is Introduction to Computers. In that, we are going to learn first about computer system. A computer is a machine that works according a list of instructions known as program. It is an electronic machine that helps you to process data. It is used to solve problems related to almost every field such as education, home, medicine, science and research, animation and publishing. A computer system has two main parts which together make it work. The, the two main parts of computers are hardware and software. Let's know about hardware. These are the physical devices of a computer system which you can see and touch. These devices constitute the hardware of a computer system. A computer hardware has following devices: input devices, output devices, processing devices, storage devices. Let's learn about input devices. Input devices enable you to enter or input data into a computer. You already know about the two most commonly used input devices, keyboard and mouse. Some other input devices are scanner. This input device scans images from photographs, posters, magazines directly into the computer. Some commonly used scanners are flatbed scanner. It has a flat surface made up of glass where the items to be scanned is placed. It works like a photocopy machine. Handheld scanner. This scanner is used by dragging it over the object that is to be scanned. It is most commonly used in shopping stores. Magnetic Ink Character Recognition (MICR). This input device is used to read and identify magnetized characters printed on a document such as check. Digital camera. This input device is used to take photographs. The photographs from the camera can be transferred to the computer with the help of data cable. Digital cameras hold a memory card that stores the photographs. The memory card can be taken out of the camera and the photos can also be put into the computer using a card reader. Drawing tablet. This input device is a board which has special pen to write on it and is connected to the computer. The word or image you draw on this device can be saved in the computer. Touch screen. A touch screen is a screen that you can touch with your finger to input information. Example of touchscreen devices are tablet, touchscreen monitor, smartphones, kiosk and ATM. Web camera or webcam. A web camera or webcam is a video camera connected to a computer for capturing images and videos. Webcam technology is widely used in various fields such as video conferencing and instant messaging. Output devices. Output devices enable the computer to show you the desired result and information. You already know about most commonly used output devices: monitor, speakers, and printers. Let us know more about printers. Dot matrix printer. This printer contains movable print head with pins that strike the ribbon, placing a dot on the paper with hundreds of dots forming images or text. These printers are less expensive but are very noisy. The speed of this printer is given in CPS, character per second. Inkjet printer. This printer forms letters and images on the paper by spraying small streams of quick drying ink. The speed of this printer is given in LPM, lines per meter. Laser printer. This printer uses laser technology to print images on the paper. This gives the best quality of output and are the most expensive. The speed of this printer is given in ppm, pages per minute. Let us learn about new printing technology called as 3D printing. 3D printing technology is changing the way we produce objects from tools and toys to clothing and even body parts. 3D printing is a part of process known as additive manufacturing, where the object is created by adding material layer by layer. Additive manufacturing allows designers to create complex parts of machines, aeroplanes, and cars. The most common material used in 3D printing is plastic, but the use of other materials allow for the creation of some amazing products. 3D printing is becoming very popular even in food industry. In medical world, doctors can 3D print small body parts like ears and noses by using a patient's cells. Some surgeons have even tested 3D printed organs for transplants. Some other output devices are LCD projector. This output device is used to display videos, images, or computer data on a large screen. It projects an image onto the surface by passing light over an LCD panel. It is used while giving presentation. Plotter. This output device is used for making large paper drawings such as construction maps and engineering drawings. Plotters are divided into three types. Drum plotter. This plotter consists of a drum or roller on which a paper is placed and the drum rotates back and forth to produce the graph on the paper. Drum plotters are used to produce continuous output such as plotting earthquake activity. Flatbed plotter. This plotter plots on a paper that is spread and fixed over a rectangular flatbed table. It is used in design of cars, ships, aircrafts, buildings and highways. Inkjet plotter. This plotter creates an image by spraying small droplets of ink on the paper. It is used in designing banners, billboards, and road signs. Dear students, next part of this chapter we will learn in the next video. Till then, goodbye, dear students.